In this video, I will show you how to stop Steam from opening on startup Windows 10. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section below the video, and with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So there are two ways you can go ahead and stop Steam from opening on startup on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. The first way to do this is if you come down to the bottom left hand corner and you want to click onto your search box and go ahead and type settings. Next, underneath Best Match, go ahead and click onto Settings to open up the Settings app. From here, you want to locate Apps and then just go ahead and give that a click. And then from here, if you come to this menu on the left hand side, you're going to see an option called Startup. So if you click onto this is going to show you all your startup apps. So these are apps that are enabled to start up when your PC starts up. So what you want to do is just scroll through the list until you find Steam. So you can see that's just down here. And all you need to do is go ahead and turn the switch off, just like so. The second way to do this is through the actual Steam app. So what you're going to want to do once you're logged into the Steam app is come up to the top left hand corner and click onto Steam up here. Next, come down and click onto Settings, and that's going to open up a window like this. Then what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto Interface. And from here, you want to just scroll down until you get to this option section down here. And you can see an option here which says Run Steam when my computer starts. So what you want to do is again, go ahead and turn the switch off. And that's going to stop Steam from opening on startup on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.